That's that grease. That's that grease.
We gon' make it hot on the hottest block.
We set the trends, bringing it in.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. However, I do have a sponsored giveaway to share with you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It is also SipnSlay, and your girl got her water on deck. Your girl got her shot today, you know, and I'm feeling a little, the way I'm feeling right now, it's gonna take me out. It's gonna take me out. That's good though, that's good. Y'all know I hated water, but it's on point now, okay? Now for today's video, I will be showing you guys a $5 ponytail hack on my natural hair. But before we get into this ponytail hack and the giveaway, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. If you don't care about the giveaway, then go ahead and skip through and get to the ponytail. That's fine, okay? Timestamps down below. But we're gonna go ahead and talk about the giveaway really quick. Okay, so this part of the video is sponsored by Jeulia Giveaway. They sent me some pieces to share with you guys as well as do a giveaway for y'all. This is what the packaging looks like when you get it. It comes in a very nice matte black type of finish. Opening up the box, you do get the pamphlets and, like, you know, the bags, all that kind of stuff. You know, if you're buying it for something, you can put the jewelry in the bag, you know, make it all cute, you know, whatever. The packaging is always so pretty. You cannot go wrong with it. It's like the matte black. It feels luxurious. It's just giving opulence on a budget, okay? Ding ding, get with it. So we got necklaces, rings, earrings, bracelets, watches, his and hers, you know, Mother's Day, Father's Day, all types of stuff in this pamphlet, y'all. So, you know, again, if you want to check this out for yourself, you definitely can do that. The pieces they sent me will be listed right here on the screen. They did send me 2 pieces to share with you guys today. I was able to pick them for myself. So, you know, I kept it real simple but cute. Okay, so the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this bangle right here. Y'all know I am loving bangles right now. I got one on right now. So I chose this little gold bangle right here. Like I said, the information for my bangle is right here on the screen as well as the price point. Okay, so I'm gonna clip this one on. Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. Does it fit my wrist? God dang. But this is how she is looking, y'all. Very simple. You know, it has the little jewels across there, y'all. Super cute. A close-up version is right here on my screen, so you guys want to check that out so you actually can see without the lights. I like this one a lot. I would definitely be adding this one to my arsenal. Thank you. And then I also got this ring. I have been looking at this ring for a while, and I was going to get it myself, and then they reached out to me to, you know, collab again, and I was like, oh, wait a minute. Let me go ahead and get that ring now. Like I said, all the specs are right here on the screen. This is the, I believe this is the dragonfly ring. Let me cut this off. I got it in a size 9. Let me cut the tag off. I got the size 9, like I said, for my middle finger because I thought it was gonna be super cute. And y'all, I was right. Okay, I was right. This looks so pretty, y'all. I don't care if it does not matches. Listen, okay? I don't care. I will wear my silver and gold all day. I like that. This necklace right here is also from Jeulia Giveaway. They sent me this necklace, I want to say 2-3 years ago now, y'all. It's been a hot minute. Y'all have seen me rock this necklace dang near every video that I have featured on this channel since I've gotten this necklace because I love it. It has not tarnished, it has not broken, it has not chipped, nothing. Okay, this necklace has lasted, and it was only like what, like $30 or $40, and I also have a coupon code for them. So again, right here on the screen, you can definitely check it out if you want to. Buy your man something for Father's Day. If you are the father, then, you know, do your thing too. They have some really cute pieces, as you can see. I love it. I'm here for it. Y'all will see me rocking both of these pieces in my upcoming videos because hello, flawless. Now y'all know I wasn't gonna leave y'all empty-handed, so Jeulia Giveaway and me did partner up to give you guys a giveaway. The giveaway rules will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys read to understand those giveaway rules. One lucky winner will win a personalized necklace from the collection down below. So again, make sure you read the description box to get the rules for the giveaway. Okay? You and these pickles, child. I know some of you guys are wondering, like, what's on your head right now? I already reviewed this wig. It was a wig that I actually did not like at all, but y'all, I have been wearing this joint out. You hear me? It is the Outre butterfly bomb twist wig or something like that. I popped her on one day just with a headband, and y'all, I was like, oh, wait a minute. It's working for me. So today I have her styled with my twist out right here. I got one little twist right here. This one little joint right here, that's me. And I got it twisted into the wig to give me that natural look. This is me. This is me. Just pull it back. And just pull it back behind my hairline. That look. I got stopped in the registration office today with my kids. A lady was like, you know, I like your hair. And I was like, thank you. But like I said, I already reviewed this one. I will drop this one down below so you guys can check that out. Today's video is all about the ponytail and getting my hair up off my neck because it is hot. I'm going to take out, do I have a bobby pin in here? I don't think I have my bobby pin in anymore. So I'm just gonna take my wig off. So first things first, I need to get my natural hair up in a bun situation. My hair is real tight because I washed it and I didn't blow dry it out. Ooh, shame on me. Now the front of my hair is shorter than you guys have seen it recently. However, I have been trimming my hair because I'm not keeping no dead ends, no split ends, no nothing. I'm not keeping no hair on my head that does not serve me. I'm going to use my Revlon blow dry brush right here on cool to stretch my hair out. Okay, so you can pull it all up into a ponytail. Let me get one off of here. Okay, put it right here. Okay, so just up in the ponytail again, nothing crazy. All right, y'all see my edges are flourishing. Y'all see it, right? Y'all see it. Okay, so the hair we're going to be using is from Outre. It is the twisted up springy afro twist in 16 inches. It comes with 3 different bundles. I think I'm going to use 2 only. And then I didn't know this was a thing, using braiding hair to make a ponytail. I just saw it from another YouTuber, S-E-U-N, I think is how you spell it. I will put her video down below so you guys know what I'm talking about. I saw some other reviews on this exact method, using this hair to make a ponytail, and I was like, okay, I'm clearly late to the game, but if I can get multiple looks out of the same hair, then you know, why not? So I figured I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. So like I said, I think she used 2 bundles for this look, so that's what I'm gonna do. So this is how the hair is looking, y'all. It looks real natural. I'm pretty sure I can do some crochet wigs out of this or something, because this hair is really cute. Okay, so you put the hair together like this, take your scrunchie, okay, the first one, and you're gonna wrap it under. So you wrap the scrunchie around like this, so it's like this. Okay, so you're just kind of hooking it around. You're not wrapping the hair in it, you're just hooking it around. Okay, let me keep that because my scrunchies are real tight. Goodness gracious. Then you're gonna take the other scrunchie like this. Okay, hold on. You're gonna loop that one inside of this one. Okay, I gotta work with my nails here. So you're just making 2 loops like this. Okay, you're just looping it under. Let that one go. And then you just put this one inside of this loop and pull it down. Like that. So let me show you guys again really quick. You're wrapping it under the hair, okay? So you wrap it under the hair like that, and then you'll end up with something like this, okay? Okay, I'm taking the second one and I'm putting it under. I'm putting it under the loops. Put it under the loops, okay? I just put it under the loop. That's it. All right? And then I take either side, doesn't matter, and I just fold it under and inside the loop like, hold on, like this. Put the loop inside the other, tighten it down. So this is what you end up with. Flop it over. That's how it looks. So then I'm gonna take the free one that I have right here, and we're just gonna put this on top of my dome. Cool, wrap this around maybe 2 times, I guess. Seems about right. Okay, and it gives me like that wet look without it being wet. Okay, I had no idea. Okay, so I'm gonna separate these little ends down here. Oh, this is gonna be an everyday joint for me. I fluff it out to my liking. Ooh, my stomach is growling. Y'all see how this is looking with my natural hair? Wait a minute. Just keep on fluffing. I'm gonna pull out some of my hair on the side here. Get a little gel. Okay, just keep playing with my edges here. Y'all, look at my edges flourishing. Look at my edges flourishing. That's that grease. That's that grease. I'm gonna do a little bit of my topic right here. Nothing, not a lot. That's all I need, just a little teeny bit. And I think that's about it. I'm gonna bring a little bit, hold on. Cause I don't want my kitchen to be kitchening. So I wanna make it look a little bit, you know, a little pulled together. Like I tried, okay? Okay, what we thinking, y'all? This is cute. Y'all, I can't get, wait a minute. I can't get over this hair. I cannot get over this hair. This looks good. Y'all know in July I'm gonna be on vacation. I'll have some videos dropping, but for the most of the month they will be pre-filmed because your girl will be outside. With this shot going on, I may be in the house, but yeah, this is cute. Wow, I was sleeping on this. This looks good. Wait up, y'all. You know, the braids and the twists are cute, but I need something pulled up off my face, off my neck. I need to breathe. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. Is the air on? Like, I'm sweating in here. Like, I can't. This works for me. Listen, I'm gonna fake everybody out. You hear me? That grease is working. Now, we'll have this hair linked to my Amazon store. However, it is more expensive than the $5 price point that you will find on other sites. So if you want to shop on other sites, you can definitely do that. But if you want to get this hair quickly, you can go and check out my Amazon store for this link. Okay, that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Jeulia. Jeulia for sending me over these pieces. I really appreciate it. Like I said, the rules for the giveaway will be listed down below in the description box. You can check that out if you want to enter. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.